In this video, you'll learn how to insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. This is a simple but powerful feature that can make your documents more interactive, organized, and easier for others to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add clean, clickable drop-down lists anywhere in your document without needing any add-ons or complicated settings. First, let's start by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs the way you normally do, either from your Google Drive, your bookmarks, or by typing the address directly. Once you're there, choose the document where you want to add the drop-down, or create a new blank document if you want to practice first. It's often helpful to test new features in a throwaway document so you can experiment without worrying about messing anything up. Before inserting the drop-down, place your cursor exactly where you want it to appear. This might be in a table cell at the end of a line of text, or on a new line entirely. Think about how you want the document to look. For example, you might have a label like status, followed by the drop-down, so it's clear what the choices represent. Now, with your cursor in position, we're going to use the Insert menu. Look at the top of the screen, click on Insert, then move your mouse down to Smart Chips. A side menu will appear. From that side menu, click on Drop-Down. If you don't see Drop-Down at first, make sure you hovered over Smart Chips and not just clicked it. That submenu is where Google hides some of these interactive tools. As soon as you click Drop-Down, a small window will pop up, usually near where your cursor is. This is where you'll define the options for your drop-down menu. You'll see some default options, but you can customize them to match what you need. For example, if you're tracking progress, you might type in options like not started, in progress, and completed. You can click on each option to rename it, and you can add more options or remove ones you don't need. Take a moment to think about how people will use this drop-down. Keep the list short and clear so it's easy to understand at a glance. If the feature is available, you may also be able to assign colors to each option. Color coding can be especially helpful for things like status or priority, because it makes changes visible instantly when you scan the page. When you're happy with your list of options, click Save. The window will close and you'll now see your new drop-down menu directly in the document where your cursor was. Click on it to test it out. You should see all the options you created and you can select any one of them. Changing options is as easy as clicking the drop-down again and choosing a different item. You can copy and paste this drop-down to other parts of your document if you want to reuse it. That's especially useful for checklists, project trackers, or forms you share with others. If you ever need to edit the options later, just right-click the drop-down and look for the edit option to adjust the list. That's all it takes to insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. Open your document, go to Insert, then Smart Chips, choose drop-down, set up your options, and save. With this simple feature, you can make your documents much more structured and easier for everyone to use.